Guys, I am back and today we're gonna be playing Baboon Tag. Let's get it. Doo-doo. Okay, let's just wait for it to load. I know I've been gone for quite some time, but don't worry, cause I'm back. Back for some real stuff. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear the audio, but I mean, the like music, but pretty fire music, I'll be honest. If somebody be double shut up in the chat, bro, chill. Let's go. Wait set, chat, I need fix my settings real quick. See. Okay. Got my setting back now. Okay, let's go. Do this. So I think the red ones tag the blue ones, and the blue ones they need to survive. I think that's how it works. Let's go. Jeez. Okay, the game's about to end. But let's go. Okay. But okay, I'm kind of bad at parkour. Whoa! Blue monkey. Blue monkey. Let's go. I'm getting so ready for this. You don't even know it. Well, I mean, you might do know it, but permanent banana peel. I get 25 Robux. I don't know if that's Robux or like in-game currency. Wait, no, wait. In-game currency. I don't. But whatever. Oh, there's a lobby here. Oh shoot! What the frick? This is a. Okay, this is like some like. Oh whoa! Oh, this is gonna be hard. This is gonna be some hard map. Oh, let's go! Too easy. I made it through. Okay, I'm safe for the entire round. Easy. Not the sips and dances while we're at it. Oh. Why? I just wasn't that bad. Every dance in the middle. Running. You sound lava guy. Oh damn. Do you mind just like yeah. Thank you. Trying to get you. Hey. Come here. Okay, why can't I get you? Come here. Oh, let's go. I'm not a failure anymore. Come here, pink one. Come here. Get over here. Yeah, actually, I'm not falling for that stuff. Wait, how did I get them? I don't know how I got them, but hey, winner's a winner. Hey, bro, how did you get up there and how did you get on? Nah, how did you get on there? They're just like, what? Okay, chat, what? Of course the blue bubbles win. Okay, of course they win, but don't worry. I'm gonna be extra. Let me try this obby. I'm waiting. Whoa! I'll just. Okay, Oh, is this like a tower obby? What the frick? Shoot. I'm not that good at obbies. To be honest. That's kind of a bad. Mind if you don't get me. Oh, let's go. Come on. Oh my god. Well, I'm actually focusing pretty hard. You missed me. In shocking turn of events, it seems that I've been captured. Just gonna be a repeat on me, Just failing. Hey, I got that guy though. That's a dub in my rule book. Oh, I could have did this. Oh, snap! I could have did that. I could have did that. How? Chat. How did I get that guy, and how did I miss that? I don't know why they bully me? Why they bully me? I don't know why. They're just bullying me for no reason. This is the farthest I made it. Okay, cool. The blue ones win. Okay, but chat, we are gonna end the video there. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. See you in the next